Nigga, just step up if you know you got the nuts. For my 9mm, if you can't be fucked. Maybe get tired of these niggas talking shit. So now you're gonna witness the Mafia 360. Ain't nobody shit, nobody demons dwelling in my soul. Crazy as this heavy, but you niggas just didn't hear me. Don't be but shit is what I do. Man, I just don't get a fuck. Shit, get the shit, might not know you get the fuck.
Alright, so this is the Mcgaughy's. So I know it looks like it says Mcgaughy's, but it's the family pronounced their name Mcgaughy's. Like, okay, say for example, McDonald's with the Mc sound. But yeah, Mc, G-O-Y-S is how it's pronounced. Mcgaughy's. So a lot of people get that wrong, but there you go. Learn something new every day. But yeah, on this particular truck here, this is the Mcgaughy's Premium SS 7 to 10 inch lift, and it's currently set at 10 inches right now. So yeah, 10-inch lift right now. Yeah, they don't even make this kit anymore. They discontinued it. Can't remember how long ago it was, but I guess they had a hard time getting materials to make it or whatever, blah blah blah, I don't know. But last I heard, they don't even make this kit anymore. The only way you can get 10 inches is to like have maybe, I don't know, find an older made kit somewhere, because the only kits that they have now are 7 to 9 inches. So look at that, they got me some limited edition shit, I guess. But yeah, but I haven't had any issues with this kit at all. I mean, it's hard to see just because it's dark outside, but I don't have any rock chips or anything like that, and I have shit maybe 45,000 miles on this truck. And this kit's been on here for, I want to say, 2 years now. I haven't had to replace any shocks. I haven't had to replace any UCAs. All the boots are fine. What else? All the bolts hanging out on. I need to get some Mcgaughy's UCAs for this. Just ain't had the time to come around to it yet. That's enough. That's for another video though, I guess. But yeah, the reason why I like Mcgaughy so much is because it's just the way that cross member looks. This got to be hands down the best looking cross member on the market. I mean, look at the designs and all that. But aside from cosmetic shit, I say shit because I don't care about cosmetic shit that much, we can't even hardly say it. But yeah, to be a 10-inch lifted truck, it rides pretty damn good. I mean, I had a lifted truck before. It had like a 12-inch lift on it before this. I mean, I didn't really know too much about how the trucks were supposed to ride back then, but I know for a fact, since having 2 of them now, Mcgaughy's has a good ride quality to them. I mean, so as much as you spend on it, I mean, you get what you pay for. Because I mean, I paid maybe, damn, how much did I pay for this kit? It was $3 something. But the last kit I had, I didn't spend up but like maybe $1,000. So it's probably like the equivalent to like maybe a rough country lift. But you definitely get what you pay for. Haven't had any issues with the back shocks either. Know what I'm saying? Everything's fine. fine and dandy. But I have no complaints about Mcgaughy. That's one of my favorite lift kit brands at this point. I don't see too many other brands that I would really fool with other than Mcgaughy's. Maybe if I started a new build, I'd try Cognito or something like that, but nothing against Rough Country, not shitting on them or nothing, because I mean it's good for the price, but it's just, you're so limited with them. I haven't seen a 10-inch anything from a Rough Country lift. Oh yeah, the other brand, fucking goddamn shit, FTS. If I wasn't running Mcgaughy's and never heard of them or anything like that, I would either run FTS or Cognito. Now I know FTS makes a kit for this truck, but since this is on the newer side, Silverados, I'm not sure if Cognito has had a chance to make a kit for this shit. I haven't even checked, but I mean, if you know about it, let me know. Tell me in the comments or something. But I do eventually want to pick this truck up way taller than what it is now. Shit, I want to take those tires off, and they where I pull them bad boys off, put some 40s on it, change the wheel size. Shit, maybe I should go 26s. Yeah, 40s on 26s. That might work. And I'm gonna pick up the overall truck maybe 3 or 4 inches taller. I got a plan for that, but that's just wishful thinking for right now. That's on down the line. Shit, those tires ain't even wore out yet, but when those tires do wear, that's my plan though. Let's see, what else do I want to do? Oh yeah, forgot all about this. So apparently my chase rack, this right here, there's little inserts to where you can put a spare tire mount on it. So the spare tire will be sitting like in the back right here. That'd be badass. I put some wheel lights up in that. Man, that'd be cool going down the road. But shit, what else? There's a lot more I want to do to it. Cause this build ain't nowhere near done. I don't give a fuck how much is already built in y'all's ass. Shit, I got plans for this motherfucker. But yeah, it's not really much to say about Mcgaughy's. I mean, it's kind of self-explanatory. You know, ride's good ride quality. You can customize the height that you want. You can either go from 7, 8, 9, or 10 inches. I prefer bigger over smaller. I mean, you might as well go all the way with it, but yeah, ride smooth, all that. It was broke. 45,000 miles on the truck. I got the truck brand new. So, unless you know it holds up to the test of time. It doesn't make any random squeaks or anything like that. The only noise I get while I drive from hitting a bump or something might be because, I mean, those funky wheel lights might rattle a little bit every now and then, but it's not really enough to really care. But yeah, that's it. Pretty much, you can see everything you need that you'll get from the kit on the website. Just go to Mcgaughy's.com. But just to talk about a few of the things it comes with. I mean, you got the type of lift kit it's on. It's not like some of the Rough Country lifts that they have. It's not like stacked on what's the word? I can't even think of the word. But anyway, I just show you what I got. It's a knuckle lift. So you got these big knuckles right here. That gives you most of the lift that your UCA is attached to. You got the struts right there. So that's pretty much what's gonna give you all your height right there. So there's no like little blocks or anything, whatever you want to call that shit, stacked on. That's giving you height. And I really don't like lifts like that because I feel like you're stretching a lot of components and things. And when you stretch a lot of components and things like that, shit starts breaking when you're driving, and nobody wants to do or deal with that. But yeah. On the side note, shit, man, look, I don't know where y'all coming from, all these subscribers though. I appreciate that shit. By the time I'm recording this, I have maybe 10,500 subscribers. Yeah. And by the time I release this video, I guess it'll be 11K something. I don't know. It'll depend on when I release it. But Yeah, shit. Y'all got me feeling like an official YouTuber now. Yeah. Call me Bougie Stevenson Healy, goddamn. Shit. Fuck it.